Hello, I'm Nora. Welcome to a night in my life as an emergency room nurse. In the emergency room, every second could be the difference between life and death. Tonight, you'll walk with me through the chaos, the fear, and the small moments of hope that keep us going. Stay with me. This is a night you won't forget. It's almost midnight. The hospital is quiet. Too quiet. The lights are bright and cold. The air smells like medicine and rain. My legs are tired. My eyes hurt. But I keep walking. Because someone always needs me. Room 12. Mr. Daniels is awake. He smiles when he sees me. "You look tired, Nora," he whispers. "I will rest soon," I say, but we both know I will not rest yet. This silence did not last long. Suddenly, emergency alarm is ringing. I run. A stretcher comes in. A young man, maybe 20, blood on his arm, his face pale. "Car accident," someone shouts. Everything is fast now. Voices, lights, machines. But inside me, it feels slow. "Stay with me," I say. He opens his eyes, scared. "My mom, she's waiting," he whispers. I see his phone. A text is on the screen. "Mom, I'll be home soon." I swallow hard. No time to cry, just time to fight for every heartbeat. Minutes pass like hours. Finally, the doctor says, "He's stable now." I breathe for a second. Then I feel it. The weight of the night, the pain, the fear, and still the little spark of hope. It's 2:30 a.m. now. I sit alone in the break room. The coffee is cold. The world outside is still rainy. I look at my hands. They saved lives. Then I hear a soft knock. It's Mr. Daniels again. He holds a small flower. "I found this by my bed," he says. "Thought you might need it more than I do." I take it. Simple, small, but it feels like sunlight in the dark. I smile. My heart feels warm again.
"Nurse Nora, emergency room now."
I take a deep breath, leave the flower in my pocket, and walk back to the lights, the sounds, the heartbeats. Because this is my job. I walk into the pain so someone else can walk out. And maybe kindness never disappears. It just comes back in new ways every night.